Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is Python dictionary. So, what is the dictionary in Python? And Python is a programming language which is nowadays very popular one and very easy to use and learn as well. This is a part of our computational biology uh, curriculum. Uh, so, so as we are moving forward, previously we have seen what are Python list different lists like loops and data types, Python tuples, and now we are moving forward towards another important data type of the Python programming language, which is a Python dictionary. So make sure that you subscribe um, and my channel, and so that you can get the update whenever I upload the new content. As we move forward, let us see that what is a dictionary. So dictionaries are sometimes found in other languages as associative memories or associative arrays. Unlike sequences, which are indexed by a range of numbers, dictionaries are indexed by keys. So there are keys in the dictionaries as opposite to the sequences, which has normally has indices, and we access an element by using any kind of index that we want to, you can say, access. So each key is separated from its value by a colon, and the items are separated by commas. The whole thing is enclosed in curly braces. An empty dictionary without any item is written with just two curly braces, just like this. I will show you in an example that how Python dictionaries are declared and how they look like. Keys are the unique within a dictionary, while values may not be. So values cannot be unique, but keys should be unique in order to work it properly. So values of a dictionary can be of any type, but the keys must be of an immutable data type, such as string, numbers, or tuples. Um, so Accessing values in the dictionary. So access the dictionary elements here. You can use the familiar square brackets along with the keys to obtain its values. So how we declare the dictionary? So this is an example of dictionary actually. I will show you this in PyCharm. So this is the dictionary. I will uncommon it. So dictionary. This is the name of the dictionary, and name here is the key separated by comma, and this is Zara is the value. So this comma enclose ends this one key where a key value pair. So the next key is age, and its value is 7. Then next key is class, and its value is first. So that's how we declare. This is the structure of a dictionary, and the whole dictionary is enclosed in curly brackets, and there is a semicolon in the end. So let's see how it shows when I access a particular, you can say, key from the dictionary. Just let's say, just run it, and we can see it is accessing the value of the particular key, which is the name and age key. It is accessing the value of the both of these. So that is how we declare the dictionary, and that is how we access the values of from the dictionary. So these are the this is just the example that we just have seen. So you can practice it on your own at your own laptop or whatever system you have. Uh, so um, so when you try to access wrong element, what happens? So if we attempt to access a wrong element, a data item with a key which is not a part of the dictionary, we get an error. What error we get? So here's the example. Let me just comment this previous section so that it does not mix up. So error accessing the wrong element. So what does happen? So this ls is not part of any key. This is not a key in our dictionary actually. So let's see what happens when we try to pass it on. So we get an error. So this is the kind of error we get. So there is no such element in the dictionary. So it will return no value, and it will return an error. So updating the list. So how we update the dictionary? We can update a dictionary by adding a new entry or a key value pair, modifying an existing entry or deleting an existing entry. We can either remove individual dictionary elements or clear the entire content of a dictionary. You can also delete entire dictionary in a single operation. So to explicitly remove an entire dictionary, just use the del statement. So we can, that is how we can update our dictionary. So we can see it by example. So how can we can use that? We can either update a single element in the dictionary, like here. So this is where we are updating an existing entry in the our dictionary. So where is our dictionary? I will just zoom it out so that you can clearly see. Okay, so age previously is 7 and now we are updating it to 8. So now this is a new entry, so we are updating it again, and now I just print it out so that you can see the difference. So now let's run this. So you can see our dictionary has been updated, and that is how we can update dictionary individual element, or we can add you can say a new entry in the dictionary. So let's just comment this first so that it does not mix up with our so we can either remove an entry from with a particular key. So here is this example. We have deleted this, and we can this is the format, tell text, and the give the key, or either we can just remove all entries in the by just dict.clear, or we can either remove the dictionary itself. So this will just clear the entries in the dictionary, and this will delete the dictionary itself from the memory. So these are the three ways you can perform delete operation. So moving on forward. So what are the properties of the dictionary keys? So more than one entry per key is not allowed. This means no duplicate key is allowed. So when duplicate keys are encountered during assignment, the last assignment wins. So if there are two duplicate keys existing in the same dictionary and you are going for that duplicate key, you are performing some operation with that key. So um, the later one will be considered as the value of that particular key. So later one will be the, and the last one in the dictionary will be accessed, and all of the previous one will be ignored. So keys must be immutable. This means you can use string, numbers, or tuples as dictionary keys, but something like key is not allowed. So this thing is not allowed in this format. So that is if you do this, so you will get an error. So some of the built-in functions related to dictionaries like length, string, type, and etc. So we can do this. We can perform certain operations like key rules. So here is our dictionary. We'll just print this. So here is, and so here you can see the according to our rule 1, the later one will be accessed because there are two keys existing in the same dictionary. So the later one has been accessed when we try to access its name. So when we let's see. I will try to. So let's run this now. So we got an error. Why? Because the dictionary key is immutable and this is not allowed here. These scale brackets are not allowed, were not allowed here. So that's why. So and about different functions of the dictionary. This is to print the length, and this is to print the dictionary in the form of a string. So I will run this. So this is the total length of the dictionary. There are 3 elements in the dictionary, and this is the whole dictionary has been printed as a string. So, so this is about the dictionary, how dictionary in the Python works, and how different operations can be performed on them. So this is the very basic stuff. For advanced stuff, you can um, move forward towards the different tutorials available on the online. So for this is end right now. So we will come back with the next topic inshallah soon. So stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.